Pippa, you ready to fly your kite? You ready to fly your kite? Oh yeah. She's ready. That was Mommy. Mommy, ready to fly the kite? Alright, you ready? Let's do it. Say hi. We're gonna go fly your kite. So we'll see you later. We got some gongcha tea.
Wow!
Show us what you got there, guys. What did you get there? Gongcha and some French fries. Some of those, we got some mega potato fries. I can't see because there we go. Whoa, let's look at that. Whoa!
Wow!
Alright. So we're gonna eat first and then we're gonna see if we can fly a kite back here. This is where we're at. It's the mall. Hey, baby. You excited to fly the kite? You like those French fries? I think you've been eating French fries every day. Get some gongcha. Perfect day to fly a kite. Let's just hope this kite that we have can handle the wind because it's not a very expensive kite. Oh baby. Let me show you guys the kite real quick. So this is the kite that we have here.
Wow!
So you can see it. So we're gonna see what happens. Whoa, they're flying the kite. Whoa. Wow. Pull it back, pull it back. So, there you go. Wow. People's first time flying a kite. Whoa, you guys are doing good. Wow, you did good, baby. Look at Mommy. So we're at Vista Mall here. It's windy. Whoa, 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 whoa. Hold the kite. Hold the kite. Wow. Got it? Hold it tight. Wow.
Hold it tight. Hold it tight, baby.
Might want to hold it with her because the kite will probably fly away. Wow. There's a kite. Wow. Cool. All right.
Bye.
Say bye.
Say bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.